Hello, I'm Pierre Farrugia and welcome to another vlog. Today our aim is to do a couple of caves. The building in front of us is Malta Fish Market, where fishermen catch their fish and is traded inside here. Now we are approaching the cave, which is situated in Valletta, exactly under the War Siege Memorial. Behind the War Siege Memorial you can see a small monument which has a bell, which is the War Siege Bell Memorial. In front of us we can see the cave opening, which is under the Valletta Baskins. It's very narrow on this side, but gets wider on the other side. Very beautiful cave, nice rock formation. From now on it starts to get wider and wider and we get into this beautiful cave. Even to pedal this part, it's much better. But weird. The ceiling is very high here, and you can pedal very easy in this part. Only the first part is a bit of hassle. On my left, you can see many buildings now are being used by locals, mostly fishermen. But in Second World War, especially places like this, they were used by the English military. Our second cave today should be part of Fort Ricasoli. The building in front of us is Smart City. This is a World War II gun post. And as you can see, it's riddled with bullet holes. Here we found that cave. is Fort Ricasoli, and these buildings in front of me were used in World War II. Hope you like this vlog. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, bye bye.